Hi, this is Navy Salou, Chicago-based hairstylist with so many years of experience that I don't have to tell you. You can just look at my work and judge for yourself. This is what I learned this week. Obedience is better than sacrifice. I learned that from Chantel. Thank you so much for sharing those words with me. Obedience is better than sacrifice. Just do the work that you're supposed to do, and you could be comforted later by not having to sacrifice your time trying to make up something or redoing things that you should have done right the first time, whether it be your faith in God, whether it be organizing things, whether it be finishing a class, or whatever. Obedience is better than sacrifice. I don't know if that's a Bible scripture or not, but thank you. That helped me get through the rest of the week. So what I'm doing right now is just going through her hair cutting. I love to cut. I love to create shapes in the hair. It's very, very good to create a foundation for styles. I remember when I didn't know the importance of hair cutting and how much time it took me to style the hair to try to figure out, had this or had that or just add some weave to it. But once I started to really understand the concept of hair cutting, it opened up so many doors for me. As far as my clientele grew and the people that I attracted grew too. And I appreciate that. So what I do for a living is transform people's hair into helping them find the best style that works for them so that they can be able to do their own hair at home and not be stuck in the shop every single week. I also share my knowledge with the guests that grace my chairs. I am very knowledgeable and I enjoy being able to share my knowledge. You can also book a virtual consultation if you need one so that we could discuss the important hair things that are important to you. That is available on my website. One tip that I would like to share is there is no such thing as low maintenance styling. Now you could keep styling your hair in a time and you become regular with it and you create a regimen and that time gets lower and lower. That's a low maintenance because you develop a technique. But just straight up saying you want a low maintenance hairstyle, that does not exist. Anything that looks good requires maintenance. Not low maintenance, but maintenance in general. And it's time to embrace the concept of putting what you want into the results that you want to see. So if you want to look high maintenance and polished, you're going to have to take that time out and do it. One question I would like to ask is how many times a day do you comb your hair? Think about it. That can add to your maintenance as well. Carry a comb in your purse, and when you go to the bathroom, comb your hair, whether it's a wig, whether it's short, whether it's in a ponytail. Take time throughout the day and maintain your hair, and you will see a difference. If you don't, come back and let me know. But thanks for listening. Leave a comment and share.